Just wanted to show you a brief rundown of what's going on here. I have Java Web Start applications that I would like to run, and they do run, but they run into issues. For example, here's a simple benchmark. When I click on it, it says can't be opened because it's from an unidentified developer. Lion at docjava.com is an identified developer, but here it says www.docjava.com is not an identified developer. And this happens on all of the apps. So when I go to System Preferences and I look at the so-called security, which is going to give me the option to open the application anyway, I can click on Open. This is asked, are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. I hit Open, and it runs Open Web Start, and then proceeds to run the application, and it runs until completion, which is just fine. Now, the other way you can go when you want to run something like this is you can run the application using other means. Like you can run it using, I don't know, Java Web Start instead of Open Web Start, which is the proprietary version of Web Start available from Oracle. And if you run it there, it'll run anyway, but it says it could put the thingy at risk because why? It's a signed application, runs with unrestricted access, do not show again from this publisher, hit run, or you could get more information. Clicking run, blah, 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 blah. The publisher name is verified by a trusted certificate authority. Run this application only if you trust the source. So you can view the certificate details. It's got a certificate. Hit continue. You know, the certificate, if you look at it, you can see it's a Sedigo public code signing certificate. Everything's signed. It's current. I have no reason to believe it runs it actually runs fine under Windows. This is a Mac problem. So now I go back and it runs right away, but I keep getting the damn warning. Now if I run it again, this time with let's try and run it with Web Start now. It runs without a hassle because I said always trust. So that was okay. And now if I run it with Open Web Start, it should run just fine because I have the always trust on. And so that's fine. But the initial download is what seems to be the problem. And so we've got an issue with, see, it's there. We've got an issue with the developer being unknown. We can show this again with the next benchmark or with others if you like. Here, we'll do one here. And now we got the same thing, unidentified developer. Okay, could try it over here. It says unidentified developer. So this is happening every time, unidentified developer. And they'll all run, but you've got to go through the machinations of going to the security thingy. So I don't know how to fix that. You guys have made me an identified developer. I'm in the developer program, but it still says I'm unidentified, and I don't know why. Thank you. Boy.